Okay, Aaron, you're up. Finally getting a chance to put together a demonstration for you for what it would look like, or at least a very loose idea. We didn't fully build out the agent. We just altered one of our test agents for an application for a building permit to the city of Corner Brook, or the municipality of Corner Brook. And so on the website here for Corner Brook, you have a form that is asking for a myriad of information, everything from multiple choice to just addresses, as well as some written stuff here. And generally, what we're going to have the AI do is just have a conversation with the user. And in that conversation, we'll be able to extract a lot of this information, and that information can get pretty much imported into a CRM, emails. Basically, once we have the data, we're able to manage and manipulate it how we want. And the onus for the resident or the client for the city is essentially just having a conversation on the phone and maybe sending some files to an email that can be cross-referenced with the information the AI's got. So I'll get Melissa on the phone right now. I'll do a little bit of a run through, and then that'll give you an idea on this particular use case for the city. There's probably, you guys probably have just as many use cases as the other cities, but this is a really good one because other municipalities in Canada will be able to see. So let's get her on the phone and see if she can at least take some information from me in a way that might be helpful for a permit application.
Hello, you've called the City of Corner Brook. My name is Melissa. I can help you with your permit application. Can we start with a few questions?
Yeah, sure. Can you hear me okay, Melissa?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine. Let's get started. Could you tell me your full name?
Yeah, my full name is Alex Masters Leckie.
Great, Alex. What's the best phone number to reach you at?
Yeah, 416-123-4567.
Thanks. And could you spell out your email address for me?
Yeah, it's Alex Masters at hotmail.com.
Got it. So it's alexmasters@hotmail.com, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Now, could you give me your full mailing address?
Yeah, it's 321 Best Road Avenue, and that's in Toronto, Ontario.
Thanks, Alex. And what's the postal code for that address?
It's M5K1S5.
Perfect. So that's M5K1S5. Now let's move on to the property address where the development will take place. Could you share that with me?
Yeah, it's going to be at 123 Good Road Avenue in Corner Brook.
All right. Got it. So 123 Good Road Avenue in Corner Brook. What's the postal code there?
Yeah, it's L5J2M1.
Thanks. So that's L5J2M1. Now let's talk about the builder. Can you give me their full name?
Yeah, it's Top Builders Incorporated.
Great. And what's the mailing address for Top Builders Incorporated?
Good questions. 50 Builders Way in Toronto, Ontario.
Thanks. And what's the postal code for that address?
That one's going to be, you're asking for a lot of postal codes here. M5 7 or M5 P, sorry, 1B2.
No worries. So it's M5P1B2. Now let's dive into the project. Could you tell me the type of building you're planning? Like, is it residential, commercial, or something else?
This is going to be a business. We want to build a restaurant.
Nice. So, a business building for a restaurant. What type of construction are you planning? Like, is it new construction, an alteration, or something else?
Oh no, this is brand new. Still
Hey,
with?
Brad. So, gotcha. So, Brad, what type of construction are you planning for the restaurant?
Oh no,
Is it a new
it's
build
still
or maybe an alteration?
it's still Alex. Where'd you get Brad from?
Oh, my bad, Alex. Must have been some static in the line. So, back to your restaurant. Is it a new build or are you making changes to an existing structure?
No, it's going to be a brand new restaurant.
Awesome. A brand new restaurant it is. Could you give me a brief description of the work you're planning?
Yeah, it's going to be a uh new commercial building.
Great. A new commercial building for your restaurant. What's the estimated construction value for this project?
$1 million.
All right, so around $1 million. Now, do you agree to the terms and declarations that all the information provided is accurate?
Yeah.
Perfect. Just a heads up, you'll need to upload some documents like legal surveys and floor plans. Do you have any special requests or variances for this project?
No.
All right, no special requests. Just to wrap things up, I've got all your details down: your contact info, property address, builder details, and project specifics. Anything else you want to add?
Yeah. Like, how does the process work? I'm gonna send you some documents, and then you guys are gonna do what?
Once you send in the documents, we'll review everything to make sure it's all set. Then, we'll process your application and let you know if anything else is needed or if there are any fees to pay. After that, you'll get your permit. Anything else you're curious about?
No, that was pretty good. I'm really impressed, and now I understand why you were calling me Brad. I was trying to say brand new. Very interesting. Your ability to pick up sounds is getting pretty good.
Thanks, Alex. I try my best. If you need anything else, just give me a shout. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. So, Aaron, that this entire form, I tried to like fill it in a little bit along the way just to show you, but I mean, even during the conversation, we can have her list out the building types, list out the construction type, like literally anything you want. If you wanted to, we could have her go through this declaration, have them, and then give them a verbal agreement, and then go through the consent as well, word for word, and get a verbal agreement on that as well. And then it's all recorded. You got a transcript going. So the only thing here that she can't do over the phone is literally take the documents. But at the same time, we could probably, you know what? This was one of the first agents that we built because we thought it was cool. Just building an agent that you can email documents to, and it'll be able to analyze the documents and write your report on it. So, in addition to the phone call, you can have an AI agent pretty much analyze documents that get sent to a particular email or put in a Dropbox or what have you. But essentially, all of what you saw here was completely customized to Corner Brook. And this is just one sliver of a use case amongst the pantheon of use cases that you guys have, especially information lines, 311, stuff like that. But I will get this on YouTube. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you've just watched a demonstration of a voice AI agent acting as a permit application specialist for the municipality of Corner Brook. She did extremely well. I'm super happy. Even we got very few folks in Newfoundland exploring this technology, but if you see value in this for your municipality or even just your business, don't hesitate to visit us, peakdemand.ca. Jump in a discovery call. You'll most likely get me. And if you give us enough time, we might be able to even prep an agent for you for the call. Alrighty, Aaron. See you in the next one. Bye now.